The workers of tomorrow are really seeing that they can have that lucrative, challenging career and it can have a direct impact on their community.
Hello, and welcome to the Workforce Newsroom. I'm Amy Freshman. Recent research shows that more Gen Z workers are choosing vocational education or skilled blue-collar careers over traditional college degree programs. For employers in construction and other trade industries, this is a moment in time to attract workers searching for stability and good earning potential. Joining me today to share their insights on changes in the blue-collar workforce are ADP Industry Executive Kit Dickinson, Chief Economist at Associated General Contractors of America, Ken Simonson. Welcome, everyone. Let's start with a look at the data. ADP research found that workers aged 20 to 24 now make up 18.4% of the blue-collar workforce. And among different age groups, the blue-collar share grew most among workers aged 20 to 24 from 2019 to 2024. Kit, we'll start with you. From your perspective as a business leader and employer, why do you think we're seeing this shift to blue-collar work?
Yeah, great question. I really see that there are two impacts causing this shift to the blue collar work. First, we are at an inflection point where Gen Z is embracing the belief that if you want to be part of a growing industry, have great career growth potential, job security, good income possibilities, that the path could be achieved by joining the trades. And then if you couple that with these folks are seeing their peers graduating from college with significant amount of student debt. They are, hearing about tech layoffs, about how AI is replacing office jobs. The pendulum's really swinging towards pursuing construction work for many young workers. And then the second impact I see is that the construction industry is also doing a much better job and being more creative to really promote the benefits of a career in the trades. Everything from dispelling some of the misconceptions that if I'm going to be a construction worker, I'm going to hold the same shovel or swing the same hammer for 40 years. That's not the case anymore. And so being able to tout like income potential and growth opportunities, how technology is really an active part of the job site and back office, all these things really resonate with the Gen Z workers.
Ken, over to you from an economist perspective, right? Focused on the construction industry. Is this shift enough to keep pace with the industry labor needs?
Absolutely not. The Associated General Contractors represents all types of construction firms other than single-family home builders, and our members consistently tell us that they are struggling to fill open positions. So clearly the industry is hiring a lot of people, and yet in a survey that AGC completed last month, 94% of our members said that they had job openings for craft workers on June 30th, and a very high percentage, 79%, also had openings for salaried workers. So there are plenty more jobs that need to be filled in construction.
Kit, would love to hear from you just similar to that when we think about career paths of younger workers. What does this shift say about how younger generations are approaching their career paths?
Yeah, seeing how the construction industry continues to evolve and adapt to what's important to Gen Z, it's definitely getting their attention as a viable profession to explore. The workers of tomorrow are really seeing that they can have that lucrative, challenging career and it can have a direct impact on their community. I've seen some amazing interviews with younger workers just beaming with pride as they discuss how good they felt when they drive by a building or a school that they helped create. So what this all illustrates is the shift is real, which bodes well for the future of construction.
Yeah, for sure. And Ken, from an employer perspective, right, studying this, how do you see employers responding?
Well, construction firms have gotten much more engaged with school districts and community colleges and workforce development agencies because that pipeline really did decay. And there are many other examples around the country where construction firms are sending people to be mentors, to be trainers, and also to provide in-school opportunities or school day opportunities for students to come to construction firms and job sites and see what chances they really have and how construction really may not fit their preconceptions, that it's a valid career choice and one that I hope more and more students will be making.
Well, thank you all. Really appreciated the conversation and insights and sharing your expertise. For more data and analysis from ADP Research, please visit adpri.org. And for more about HR in the construction industry and the tools that can help you attract and retain today's workers, visit adp.com/construction. See you soon.